Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can use Clearpay to your Amazon. So basically, Clearpay app allows you to shop now and pay later, always interest-free. So with Clearpay app, your purchase will be split into 4 payments payable every 2 weeks. So how you can use your Clearpay to your Amazon account. So basically here, if you're going to open your Amazon app or Amazon on your browser, as you can see, and then if you're going to your cart section, basically, so I'm going to tap on the cart icon at the top right hand corner. And for example, I'm going to proceed with a checkout with this button, and then I'm going to select the address. So from here, as you can see on the next page, you will find the select a payment method. So if I'm going to tap on add new, right there at the top right, basically we have an option add a credit or debit card, pay with cash, add a personal checking account. So currently, we don't have any direct option here to basically use the ClearPay to our Amazon. So what we're going to do here is the passable option that we can do to basically use that ClearPay to your Amazon. So the passable way here that you can check or that you can try to do is by going to your browser, right? So open your browser and go to the search box and type ClearPay gift card. So as you can see here, if we're going to tap on ClearPay, love the way you pay right here. And here on this website, as you can see, you can basically shop using some gift cards in the application. So are you eligible to actually get a gift card in ClearPay? So as you can see here, can I buy gift cards from ClearPay? So here you'll find an article. It says here that am I eligible to purchase a gift card? So access to gift cards which can be purchased with ClearPay is dependent from or on a variety of factors, including consistent on-time repayments and how long you've been a customer for. Now, if you're eligible for gift card purchases, they will be visible to you in the ClearPay app. All right. For example, you get a gift card from ClearPay. You just need to go back to Amazon and enable this add a gift card. And you just have to enter the code right from here if the ClearPay gift card is available on the Amazon. So this is not misinformation video. So I just want to share to you some possible way on how you can try to pay with Amazon using the ClearPay. So that's all. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.